Good morning.
It's Kay and it's
Gogo.
And we're here in Kuala Lumpur.
And what a lovely morning. And happy Valentine's Day, everyone.
Happy Valentine's Day to all you lovebirds. I hope that you're spending today with the person that you love. I hope you're giving lots of love and getting love back. And we're going to start off the morning with some amazing tasty street food. You got your parcel?
I do.
And
I seen this. These little buns.
yeah.
Inside spice. Oh,
That's
it's like
spicy.
It's like chili pepper bread, like spice inside. Yeah.
So you've missed bread since leaving India.
I did. I'm not complaining because the food in Kuala Lumpur is amazing, and they give a really big portions. And
yeah.
So, you know what, bread? I don't remember you, but when I have the bread, no, when it comes to this bread, it is obviously fresh. I can see it's freshly cooked. And it's got layer of little butter outside, but I can say it's not the butter, it's like eggs.
Yeah.
You know, they washed it with the egg and they put spicy
Inside.
puree inside it. The bread one is sweet.
Sweet.
Not sugary sweet, but sweet. The puree is spicy.
So it's like a brioche,
I don't know what that is.
like a sweet bread bun.
Yes, sweet bread one, yeah. What a perfect combination and what a way to wake up today. This is so delicious. As you can see, the chili flakes in there with some tomato paste mixed with chili flakes and just spread it around inside this bread. As you see the bread here, very tasty, and it's not doughy, it just melts in your mouth. I love this. Can we buy them again?
Yeah.
I picked the bread, so bread was my breakfast. Let's see Kay's breakfast.
So we've gone for egg. We've got chicken on there as well. And it's a chicken thigh, I think it is, or chicken wing. Chicken wing. And then we've got some more egg, cucumber, and it looks like some spices on the rice as well. Really healthy way to start. And just to say, we hadn't planned to find this place, but it's right near our hotel. So we've literally came out the door and this place is there. As it is, if you get up early enough in Kuala Lumpur, you'll find these stalls. If you come too late, the stalls are gone because it's home cooked food and they are sold out. So you need to get out and about early if you want to experience this, and go to the ones where the locals are, as we did, because you know there's going to be lots of people. This whole meal with 3 of these bread buns cost a total of 9 ringgit for all of this. For this whole meal and 3 bread buns.
Support the local as well.
Yeah, and it's supporting local people as well. So I can see in here, there's little peanuts in there. So this is kind of a nasi lemak, which is the staple dish, what people have for breakfast here. And we've got the lovely egg, the anchovies, the pieces of cucumber. We opted for another piece of egg as well. And of course, this amazing rice. Cucumber's nice and fresh. I love cucumber. And the peanuts and everything is added in there. This is a really, really good way to start the morning. And slightly different to other nasi lemaks that we've had, but it's all the same ingredients. It's just kind of combined into this paper. So
And I love the fact is banana leaf is there as well.
Banana leaf, and I love the anchovies. The anchovies have got a really nice flavour to them and such a healthy way to get started. can see some of the stalls are already going. They're finished. It's just a couple of stalls, and it's here at the metro stop.
Masjid Jamek metro stop. If you come off, they are just here and
Outside KK.
yeah, next to KK. Like if you come here, they are so fresh.
But we've got to confess something that we've not shown you. But whilst Gogo was eating his wonderful Nasi lemak, I went over to the cake store and bought some donuts and took them to the room. So when we come back...
When did it happen?
When we come back, we'll be having donuts as our Valentine's sweetie treat.
I can't wait. Can we go back now?
No, not yet. We've got things to do. Let's go. I just love a city when it's waking up, and it's only around about 8:30 in the morning and the city's really starting to wake up. We're walking and we're going somewhere special. Ooh, Nutella cakes. Sandwiches even, wow. Drinks as well. So there's the entrance for the Masjid Jamek.
Masjid Jamek.
Yeah, I'm not very good at pronouncing the words, but such an amazing place to stay. So we came to Kuala Lumpur and we stayed at a different part of town and we absolutely loved it. And then we went to Penang and we came back to Kuala Lumpur, and this time we've stayed in a different part of town. We find that way you really get to explore different parts of the city. Like obviously we would have missed out on all of this, but look at this view, and maybe it's going to give you a bit of a hint as to where we're going right now. We've got the morning traffic going into the centre, and have you guessed it, where we're taking you?
That little white building?
No, Gogo, not that one.
I think that's where you're going.
No.
Petronas! You're going to Petronas.
And you can see the towers there.
That's our Valentine present to each other.
Yeah, and the best bit is, if you are going to visit Petronas Towers, we advise you booking up in advance.
Yeah, if you can book it online, try to book it online and book it up.
If not, you can come along to the towers and you can book your tickets from there as we did. However, I've lost our tickets. So we need to see how this is going to go.
Yeah. Another thing as well, when we came to get our ticket, next 3 days was sold out.
Yeah.
So prepare yourself for an advance. And if you're only coming here for 2 days, try to book it online.
Yeah, try and book it online. So here we are in
KLCC Park.
And what an amazing park this is. So in here, as well as it being a huge area, how big, Gogo?
It's 50 acre.
Wow, so it's a huge area, isn't it?
Huge, all green. It's like as a little getaway from the city.
Yeah, so it's a little haven in the middle of the city of greenery. It's open from 7 AM every day and it's free to get in, and lots of people come here to jog and to walk even as early as 7 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, and you can come here with your kids. There's like kids play area. It's quite big as well.
Yeah.
Really big kids play area.
And it's got cushioned floor.
Got cushioned floor. And they are cleaning now, as you can see. There is a pool for the little kids, because not really deep. You can just play in the water. We've seen many of them before. Paddle pool, yeah. And you can also come here for a picnic as well, or just get your drink and sit down, look at the beautiful trees, beautiful nature, or like we like to do, people watching.
Yeah. There is public toilets here, and they are free of charge as well. Everything here is free of charge. So the children's play area, the paddle pool, the public toilets, and also as well, what have they got that you can fill up?
Drinking water. You get your bottle and then fill it up, or you just drink it. It's really tasty as well because they filter the water.
And from here you've got an amazing view of the Petronas Towers.
The beautiful Petronas Towers, yeah.
Look at these croissants. So it's like a shopping complex at the base of the Petronas, and it's really well air conditioned.
Yeah. This is the only proof we have that we booked the ticket. Finger crossed.
So there is different entrances that you can enter from, and you just go down the stairs here, and this is the main ticket office. There is also an aquarium here as well. Again, that is an extra charge.
We have booked our ticket last week. Last week? But she threw it in the bin.
I've thrown the tickets in the bin. We've got the visa receipt.
When did you purchase the ticket?
Should say on there. For today, 10:15.
10:15.
Yeah.
Sorry. This is the card we booked from my card. So adults is 98 ringgit and children is 50.
Okay, it's from.
Yay!
Save the day.
The lady was so kind and printed us off some new tickets. Thank goodness that we had the visa receipt.
So you know what happens if you lose your tickets? Make sure you book it with your card.
And we have to go through like a security type, airport type security. So there's a bit of a queue, so they do recommend getting here 15 minutes before your ticket time. So once you've gone through security, you can get your photo taken, which I'm gathering they're going to give you a chance to purchase, Gogo.
Yeah, when you finish, on the other side you get like 3 pictures, I think.
Yeah, and they just told us to take a seat. There is a bit of a queue, so it's definitely worth it when they say get here 15 minutes before your time.
Welcome, and welcome to the Petronas Twin Towers. To ensure that you have a...
Hello, you read the through line or we set to be the through line? Through line.
Let's just sing it.
The through line. So. ¿Se viene? Sí.
So the lift has brought us up to level 41. And this is, I think, where the Skybridge is. Thank you. Wow! Holy moly! Wow! That is amazing! Look at that view! Wow, the view is absolutely amazing. And this is only level 41. I think how many levels do they have?
88. We are nearly halfway.
88. Wow. I don't think I've ever been so high. The view is absolutely amazing. And so well organised, isn't it?
Yeah, everything works smooth.
Yeah.
And the waters.
Yeah, look at the fountain. You can see the fountains in the park where we were stood earlier. It really is amazing.
It is incredible.
Obviously, it's a shame that there's lots of building work going on down there, but that
you
can
can't see
happen.
when you're in the park.
Yeah, you can see
never
that in the
noticed that.
park. We didn't notice that. Wow. Absolutely fascinating. The buildings and the architecture is so beautiful. This is now level 83. And then we're getting on another lift.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
86 to the moon. Level 86.
So we are at the top. Go, go, go.
We are at the moon. Oh.
Wow, wow. Wow. Are you going to have a look?
Yeah.
Wow. Don't know if you can see down there, that's the kiddies pool. Wow. Absolutely incredible. Is that good looking through there?
Yes.
And from this angle, we can see all three towers from here. It's quite amazing. Nasi. You could spend a long time, couldn't you, going around?
Yeah.
So we've had a bit of a photo shoot, and there's some models of the whole of the Petronas and the KLCC Park as well, which is beautiful. So this is the third section, and this is the gift shop.
Well, it was an amazing experience. All I can say, if you ever come to KL, put it on your bucket list, must see places.
Yeah. So we've had a fantastic morning. I hope that you've enjoyed breakfast and a look at this amazing centre of Kuala Lumpur, KLCC and the Petronas Towers. If you have, please make sure to press the subscribe button.
Like, comment and hit the bell button so you won't miss.
Let us know, have you been to Kuala Lumpur?
Yeah, definitely. We want to know what they missed.
And we look forward to hearing from you. And until the next time, it's bye from Kay.
And it's bye from Gogo.
Ta-ta for now.
Ta-ta.